Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an exceptionally nice 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. The XL means it has the bucket seats with the center console. This thing's got a 4-speed in it, new vintage air system, and the motor's built to 406 specs. And it's also a 24,000 original mile car that lived in California and Arizona. It's just exceptionally nice. This one's a sweetheart. If you visit volocars.com, you can read all the specs, study 100 pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars. They're all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But I notice the top's down. Let's go for a spin. When you see pictures underneath this car, if you know what you're looking at, you're going to be blown away. If you don't know what you're looking at, it looks ugly. It's original under there. It's never been spray painted or undercoated, but it is virgin clean metal. I mean, the metal is so nice. Even up behind here where it catches all the junk and they rust out. It's perfect clean metal. The original drain plugs are still there. The floors, the frame, the inner rockers, the floor braces. Spotless, dry, clean metal. Now, I say it's ugly because it's never been spray painted over, so it's old, dirty looking metal, but it's clean. We don't want to paint over it because we want you to be able to see what you're getting. It's never been messed with. Once you paint it, you don't know what's under the paint. It could be cut up or patched up. It's got some new gas shocks. It's got a new dual exhaust system that you'll hear in a minute. It sounds great. It's a Borg-Warner 4-speed that's in there. Bottom of the motor's clean. They had a couple miscellaneous parts in front that looked like they were new. So someone's gone through it. I see new brake hoses. I personally just drove this car about 15 minutes ago. Drove down the road beautifully, shifted nice, accelerated, stopped, steered. Nice driving car. The fit and finish is amazing. That's really what drew me to the car. The body lines are square and flush. They're smooth, lined up properly. And again, it's a 24,000 mile car, lived out west. It's just a clean body. That's spot on right there. That's just beautiful. It's original. I think it's Rangoon red this year. It was born a red car, and it's like red glass. There's no issues, no bubbling, no cracking. If I miss a little tiny nick or something, I apologize, but from what I see, it even feels slick. I mean, it's a mirror right down here. It's beautiful. Outstanding paint. It's a white convertible top. It's a power top. That's new within the last couple of years. Still looks new. Has a boot that fits real nicely. All the trim looks restored. Even the black paint inside the trim has been redone. All the moldings are straight. I don't know how much of it's new or restored, but all of the trim, this whole panel, the emblem, the bumper, all this stuff, taillights, all beautiful. It all looks new as far as I'm concerned. Trunk fits real nicely, no cracks. Yeah, all this is nice. It has the correct wire hubcaps with the spinners, Uniroyal radial tires. Door handles look new. It's got mirrors on both sides, and I think I seen the little Ford script. Yeah, they're Ford mirrors. All this stainless trim is polished out. It's all straight and shiny. The rubber gasket is soft. The windshield looks new. The chrome pillars here, they're usually pitted. Those are beautiful. The emblems, everything has the 406 emblems here. Now, a real 406 car in a convertible, they're extremely rare. This is a 352, and I'm told there's 3,000 miles on the motor, and they built it like a 406. The grille is beautiful. Look at this. This is where you open the hood. Isn't that cool? These are like new. So anyway, I'm told it's built like a 406. The motor looks completely fresh. It's got a big Holley carb on there, the nice oval air cleaner. It's detailed in here. This looks new. New power brake system, new air conditioning system, and all the metal is clean. Everything's proper. Has the horns. The interior is mint. The seat cushions were replaced because even over time they just turned to powder and they turned to dust. So there's new cushions, all new upholstery that fits real nice. Has the 406 embroidered floor mats. It's got a stereo system that's in there. Look at how slick this is all painted. Nice new mat, has a jack, has a spare, has a shop manual, has a picture, new weather strip. There's an amplifier, there's a CD changer, has a new well liner at the top goes into. The bolts look new. Can't remember the name offhand, but this was a real famous music producer. The list of people that he's produced music for is impressive. Dolly Parton comes to mind as just one of them, but that's who the car came from. That'll be on our website. Seat belts front and back. The whole dash area is beautiful. All the trim, the knobs, the lenses, visors, mirror, it's all excellent. Door panels look new. The interior lights on the door panels work. Has the hood insulation, needs a little glue on the corners of this one right here. The plug wires, everything's tidy. Why don't I start it up for you? So you got a red 4-speed with air, bucket seats, stereo system, super clean. These door jambs are slick. These door jambs are painted nicer than a lot of the cars you'll see at a cruise night. The center console's like mint, has the correct shifter with the reverse lockout. And I did not drive this one home yet, so I did just go for a spin, and it was great. I didn't even touch the gas pedal there. The carpet, the dash, the pillars, the chrome on the visors, the handles. Look at the lights work. Look how beautiful this all is. The sill plates. Look at the trim on the seats. It's gorgeous. I've been buying the best quality. I don't go after low price anymore. I go after the best cars I can get. And this is one of them. The motor's just smooth as can be. This one's a sweetheart. Look at the door shut so nice. We'll goose her one more time. Why not? Horn works. She's ready to roll. So there you have it. Here's a really clean, impressive car. That actual miles is also designated right on the title. I think it was an Arizona title. It said 24, and it might be 25, maybe even 26,000 miles on there. I don't remember exactly, but it says actual right on the title. It's a clean, rust-free car, show condition, 4-speed, air. Got a lot going for it. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. They can answer any specific questions or concerns you might have. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. But if you have questions, please ask. They'll also help with the financing, delivery, the paperwork. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on that bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.